So I just recently built my TR1, or no, this is TR5 Hyrule Gaplant, and I've attached some master grade beam effects on that one. That's from the Zeta Plus, and it actually fits there quite nicely. And I'm on Skype.
Hi.
Oh.
And they're saying hi.
Hey everyone, hey, hi.
So I'll show you guys how I do my painting. Pretty much what I do first is dismantle the super deformed kit, and next part is I'll be doing a light sanding on them, or actually wet sanding with this sponge sandpaper. I think this is 600 grit. Yeah, but the purpose of this demonstration is to show you guys how I paint my kits.
When a man loves a woman.
Okay, disregard that person. Okay, and you want to sand this down because the glossy surface right now, rejects the paint. So if you sand it down, it will have grooves or etchings that help the paint to stick on it. But it helps to prime the kit as well. So I'll fix the the distance of the camera, and then we'll reshoot. So I'll just do this for a little bit, and if you hear random noises, that's from Skype again. And so
I spit on my keyboard.
Why do you do that?
Because I wanted to make a fart noise, but then it failed on me, and then I ended up...
That's what you call karma. Bad karma. So you just dip I'll just dip the sandpaper, or you can use a regular sandpaper, and make sure it's that sandpaper is compatible with wet sanding. And I just lightly sand the whole piece because I'll be painting this, and also help out smooth out the nub marks that I didn't get with my hobby knife. So how's everyone's day? Was it eventful? No. Come on.
No.
I already told you my story about that lady in the bar.
Yeah, she put her MP3 player in the cleavage.
Yes.
And there's nothing really eventful today unless I went to the bathroom. Nothing really.
Aww.
Not for me.
You think shit happens to us every day.
Most of us stay in our rooms all day and do nothing.
Like
It's summer.
You even try to get out?
no. It is summer.
It's hot.
It is.
I go out when it's cold.
I'm trying to look for a job, and I'm not having any success.
Yeah. Hard to get a job.
My hobby store where I worked at is now closed, so I'm staying home being a bum now. So yeah, take that.
Are you getting EDD, Gao?
Yes, I am. Until it goes away.
And it's gonna steal your
They just stop the extension. There's no more extension.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, I only get 7 months. I'm aware of that. Fuckheads.
At least you have unemployment. California's completely out of money.
Yep.
They have no unemployment for anybody.
Supposed to be 2 years though. I get 7 months. That is such a joke.
Go back to school, Gao.
I can't. Do you know the amount of grants my wife has out right now? I don't even want to think about it. It's more money than I've ever seen in one place. We already owe.
Is it about like 10 grand per semester?
Where she's been going to school, this is her like 3rd year. We are about 55,000.
Wow.
Right now. Because she's doing web design and it requires a whole bunch of shit.
Is she working right now?
No, she's in full-time school.
Oh wow.
She goes to school full time. I was working. It was keyword.
5,000 for web design.
She's been doing it for 3 years. She was 20,000 in the other school she was in before, and she switched. She came to this school, which is, I don't know why it's more expensive, but it is apparently.
Honestly, you can just
Maybe it's
get
prestige.
certification like on the cheap.
There we go. So first thing we want to do is, I'm just gonna use acrylic paint. This is from Ceramcoat, and it's black. And again, I'm just using this paint. You can use Tamiya paint or whichever you like. And actually, I would recommend use Tamiya paints because it sticks. This one easily scratches off. But there are certain advantages and disadvantages. But for now, I'm just gonna use that. And I'm just gonna use a regular brush. And I'm gonna go just paint this. So first, I'm just putting a black on the whole kit. I'll probably add another layer because it doesn't fully cover the kit. So 2 layers of black on each kit, and I should use like one of those alligator clips to hold this, but sometimes I like I don't mind getting the paint on my fingers. So fully cover that. Might or might not paint the bottom part. I'll probably just leave it there for now. Can always go back and paint that. But gotta paint the edges. And just make sure you completely cover the whole piece at least once. Let it dry, then go over it again. There you go. It's all black right now. And just have a paper towel and let it rest there. Or better yet, have it suspended if you have those alligator clips. And I'll probably just do one more. I'll probably do this one. It's easier. I can just grab it from the bottom. Again, this is after I've sanded down the piece. It helps keep the paint on. Which I'm using acrylic. And the next part on this one is probably dry brushing with metallic colors. So that's gonna be fun. And I actually did a video before in my SD camper. So if you haven't seen that one, look it up. And it's relatively easy. And again, I will do it again just to show you guys, because I'm sure some of my new viewers haven't seen my old ones. So I will do that again, just for demonstration's sake. And for those who are wondering, how do I paint my kits? And trust me, this is the laziest way to do it. Because I'm using, this acrylic water-based paints that are easily scratch off, which it's good for clean up, but the paint doesn't stick well. You can just scratch it off. That's why I put a layer of clear coat on top, but still you can only do so much with that one. But with the other paints, they actually stick to the plastic quite well. And there you go. This usually dries in a few minutes, like really quick. Also depending on the weather. If it's dry weather. And the top part, I don't really need to paint this one, but I might, Because again, I'll be painting, or it's gonna be hidden, but let's just paint it anyways. There you go. So I have those painted, and I will go ahead and finish painting the rest of the kits black. And stay tuned for part 3 where it's gonna be dry brushed.